How to reset all settings on Mona 6 and restore default app preferences easily. Hey guys, in this video, I'll teach you how to reset all settings on Mona 6 and restore default app preferences easily. First, open the Mona for Mastodon app on your device and make sure you are on the home screen. Once the app opens, look at the bottom navigation bar where you can see Home, Notifications, Explore, Search, and more. To begin, tap the More option located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This section gives you access to additional tools, profile options, and advanced app settings inside Mona 6. After tapping More, a menu will appear, showing several options, such as Settings, Mute Items, Drafts, Bookmarks, Favorites, Profile, and more. To continue with the reset process, tap Settings. Once you enter the Settings page, you will see many customization tools and app controls available inside Mona 6. Here, you can manage general settings, post actions, tab bar, accent color, appearances and themes, and other personalization features. Now, carefully scroll down through the settings menu. As you continue scrolling, you will notice more options, including web browser, translate, app icon, and game controller settings. Keep scrolling until you find the advanced settings option. This section contains extra controls and system-level preferences, designed for deeper customization and maintenance inside the app. When you locate advanced settings, tap it to continue. Inside this section, you can access more detailed settings and options related to restoring or managing app preferences. If you want to reset your settings and return the app to its original setup, look for the Reset or Restore option available inside Advanced Settings and follow the on-screen instructions carefully. For example, if you changed many appearance or customization settings and want to start fresh again, restoring default preferences can help return Mona to a cleaner setup. Remember that resetting settings,